Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Urbi, and today in this tutorial I am going to talk about a beginner's guide to Photoshop. So who are getting started with Photoshop, then this is a tutorial for you. So Photoshop is a very essential tool for photographers as well as graphic designers. It has filled with so many buttons, sliders and assorted tools that it becomes difficult to know from where you have to start. So today I'm going to talk about some best Photoshop editing features that you can use when you are getting started. You can use them right away after watching this tutorial. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first Photoshop feature I'm gonna talk about is that adjustment layers. When you are getting started with Photoshop, try to discover different adjustment layers that are already in Photoshop. So some of the adjustment layers are hue and saturation, color balance, black and white, color lookup, curves, brightness and contrast, and there are many more. So the benefit of these layers is that you can edit them at any time. To do so, double click the layer to edit the adjustment layer. So I am showing you a demo. Now, the second one is instant Photoshop fixes. Photoshop provides various automatic options to apply some actions on your pictures. The most common options can be found in image menu, just like auto tone, auto contrast, auto color. If you want to decrease the opacity of these filters, then go to the edit menu, select fade auto tone or fade, then decrease the opacity according to your requirement, and you can also change the blend modes of your images from there only. So I am showing you a demo for this also. Now, the third one is black and white. Make your shots black and white. So, there are many ways to convert colored photos to black and white. Some are really advanced and some are very easy. So, I am telling you easy way to make your shots black and white. So, first of all, go to the image, then adjustment, then select black and white. You can also use hue and saturation. In that, you have to decrease saturation to -100. This will also make your shots black and white. So I am showing you a demo for this also. The fourth one I'm going to talk about is crop your photos. Try to crop your photos in Photoshop. So, crop tool is kind of self-explanatory tool to crop freely. To crop your image, grab the corners or edges of the image and drag them inwards. So, I am showing you how to do it. So, the last one is clean up your shots with spot healing brush. So, it doesn't matter how carefully you have clicked your images, there are always a thing in your images that you wish that wasn't there. So, it can be anything like dust particle on your camera sensor or a blemish, power line, it can be anything. So, for that, you can use spot healing brush. It can remove simple things like this. So for this, select the spot healing brush from toolbar and click J on your keyboard and make sure the content aware is selected. Now start painting in the area you want to remove. Means start painting the object you want to remove. Now and make sure that the brush size, spot healing brush size is equal to the object size you are removing. So start painting on that area and it will be disappears. This tool works well on small things. I will show you how. For all its complexities, It's pretty easy to get impressive results from Photoshop. When you start using it, it will develop your confidence and you will find that Photoshop has opened up a whole load of features to help you along the way. So that's all for today. I hope you all guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such Photoshop tutorial, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. So I will see you all next time. Bye bye.